Today, I'm going to show you a really easy way to set up a professional looking clickable email signature that you can put straight into your Gmail account. It's using a tool called Wisestamp, but don't tell Wisestamp. There's a little sneaky way that you can use this completely free without needing to sign up or pay a cent. So I'm going to show you that method. But if you do have a team of people or a group of staff members, I would definitely recommend upgrading to their teams or organizations version of Wisestamp, which allows you to manage everyone's email signature in your organization. It directly links to the Google Business Suite, so it will pre-fill all of the signatures for every single one of your team members, and you can toggle them on or off or update through the integration between Google Suite and Wisestamp when people are moving on or joining your team as well. So for just individuals though, this is just for my business. I'm just going to create one by clicking on for individuals. And it's remembered what I was doing last time. So you just enter your signature details, name, title. I put my mobile, my website, and my email in. And then you can change the design, the colors, the shape of your logo, everything in here before you start, before you go and paste it into your Google Signature settings. So we go to images. I've uploaded my logo, but I want it to look square. And in this template, it's showing round. So you simply go to design and change here where it says images, the shape. I'm going to go with a rounded corner icon. The pink I've selected as my template color, so you can see the icons there. They're very faint, so you might want to go a slightly darker color. For me, I'm happy with that. That's okay. Or I might choose a different template that doesn't show those icons. You can change the size and position of your text, of your images as well. Any labels, you can change the icon that's associated with them and the style of your social icons as well. Then what we can do in apps, there's a couple of extra features which are quite useful. You can have a styled sign off if you want to have your signature. It doesn't have to be kind regards. It can be your name, or you can draw your actual signature if you want. You can add a quote, an image, a disclaimer, which is really helpful for anyone who needs to have that for compliance, a green footer. You can even have an Instagram gallery if you really want. And you've also got the ability to add online scheduler or upload a banner. Now this one is really useful if you have like office closure periods over Christmas, or you're trying to promote something else that you guys are selling at the moment, or a discount that's available. All these features are really handy. Then when I just go back to design, template, this is where you can choose the way the template is laid out. So it does say Pro, but you can actually select and preview every single type of signature here. Just takes a little while to load. There we go. There's that one, which is quite nice. Still very pale on those icons. So I'm just going to opt for something nice and simple like this. And then I want to add my socials as well. So you can choose any number of social connections. I'm just going to add my YouTube and my LinkedIn. If you click show more, you can select more options. And my LinkedIn. Oops. Now, hopefully that's not stolen that. It's fine. And then you can change the design of these. So that's kind of ugly in the bright colors. So go back to design and you can scroll down here to social icons and choose the kind of icon you want. This one, it just allows me to have the outline, or you can have just the icon itself. Let's go with the outline. And then if you press custom, you can make them appear in your brand colors as well. Then when you're ready to paste it into your Google account, just copy from the bottom up until it grays out over all of the icons. Then open your Gmail. and go up to the settings cog, see all settings. Scroll down. Now, if you don't have a signature currently, it will just be a little small section like this. Otherwise, if you do have a signature in there already, it'll have a box. Just click Create New, name it. And in this box on the right, hit Control V just to paste it in. Sometimes the formatting might change a little bit, but you can still change the text and any features that you want to in here using this font editing toolbar. But mine has pasted in perfectly exactly how I want it. So I'm going to now save it. So what you need to edit in here in Google Signature Settings is for new emails, use Laura. For reply forwards, add Laura, and make sure you tick this box, because if you don't, it's actually going to input your signature way down the bottom of the email thread in Gmail, which isn't very convenient. Then scroll down to the bottom and hit Save Changes. And then if you compose email, look at that. You've got your beautiful new professional signature that is entirely clickable as well. Enjoy.